Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Today's topic is a list of digestive enzymes and their functions. Digestive enzymes play a key role in regulating and maintaining and functions of the digestive system properly. These enzymes not only helps in digestion but due to exhaustion or lack of these enzymes one can face difficulties in digestion too. Have you ever thought how food gets digested inside your body after we consume? The internal structure of our body is extremely important in carrying out numerous functions, amongst which digestion is the most vital of all the processes taking place. Our body's metabolism is controlled by a group of digestive enzymes, which are secreted by various organs of the digestive system. These enzymes aid in proper digestion of food. Enzymatic digestion begins in the mouth and extends to the intestine, where it gets covered to simpler particles and are then excreted by our body. These digestive enzymes act as critical circuits for breakdown of collarbones, fats, and proteins. The source of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes help to break down polymeric macromolecules into small building blocks, which are required by our body to maintain a healthy life. These enzymes are also presented in the saliva, where they assisted the first step of digestion. The enzymes are classified on the nature of substrates they work. Digestive enzymes are broadly classified into four groups. They are proteolytic enzymes, split proteins to amino acids; lipolytic enzymes, split fat to fatty acids and glycerol; amylolytic enzymes, split carbohydrate and starch to simple sugars; nucleolytic enzymes, split nucleic acid to nucleotides. Mouth. The oral cavity or the mouth contains salivary glands. The salivary gland secretes the enzyme lysozyme, which has an antibacterial action. The enzyme is secreted by the mouth, mainly proved protection against bacteria. Betaine helps to maintain a fluid balance inside the mouth. Enzymes and function. Pectinian converting starch to simple soluble sugar. Amylases converts starch to soluble sugars. Betaine maintains cell fluid balance as osmolysis. Bromelain, anti-inflammatory agent, tenderizes meat. Stomach. The enzymes released by the stomach are known as gastric enzymes. Stomach starch hyaluronic acid, which kills bacteria and germ and provides an acid environment for proper enzymatic activity. For protease enzymes. Enzyme and function. Pepsin breaks protein into small peptides. Gastric amylase, degradation of starch. Glutinase, degradation of glutathione and collagen. Renin, conversion of liquid milk to solid particles, gastric lipase, degradation of butterfat. Pancreas. Pancreas is the main digestive gland of our body. The digestive enzymes of the pancreas break down carbohydrates and starch molecules to simple sugars. They also secrete a group of enzymes which help in degradation of nucleic acids. It functions both as an endocrine and exocrine gland. Enzymes and function. Pancreatic lip cells degrades triglycerol into fatty acids and glycosol. Phospholipids hydroxyl phospholipids into fatty acids. Trypsin converts proteins to basic amino acids. Steps in breakdown of triacylglycerol to glycerol and fatty acids. Small intestine. The final step of digestion is carried out by the small intestine. Intestine contains a group of enzymes that break down the productions undigested by the pancreas. The food gets converted to semi-solid form by the activity of the enzymes present in the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Sucrase converts source of digester and monoester. After knowing the types of digestive enzymes and their